And now starting with some breaking news amid the NEET UG row, the Karnataka Assembly has passed a resolution against NEET, and this resolution again has been passed in the Karnataka Assembly. Earlier, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal had passed a similar resolution. My colleague Neha brings us more.
Pritanju, after Tamil Nadu, we're now seeing that Karnataka too, in fact, has decided to pass a resolution there against the NEET exam. Remember, of course, nationally we've been seeing how the entire NEET exams politics has been playing out there, with the opposition alleging that the lives of students over here are being played with, that the lives of students are at stake, even as the Supreme Court, of course, yesterday went on to rule on this, saying that it does not appear like, of course, there was a need for a re-examination there. The state of Karnataka now, in fact, has gone on to propose that the CET exam, or a common entrance test, be carried out much like it used to earlier, and the fact that, NEET be rejected entirely. Of course, this came even as you had the opposition BJP there in the assembly going on to stage a protest there and raising their voices against this. But we'll really have to wait and see, of course, how this gets cleared now in the Karnataka Council there, and whether the government is able to pass this resolution or not.